Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your BioCube light. First, carefully unbox your new light fixture and check for any signs of damage from shipping. Next, make sure your BioCube aquarium is already set up, clean, and filled with water to the appropriate level. Then, identify the power cord and any mounting brackets or clips that came with your lighting system. This initial check ensures a smooth installation process. Once you've inspected everything, it's time to mount the light. Carefully place the fixture directly onto the designated area on top of your BioCube aquarium. Make sure it's centered over the tank opening to provide uniform light distribution across your aquatic environment. Double-check that the light is stable and securely seated, preventing any accidental slips or falls into the water. Safety first. With the light securely in place, connect the power cord to a reliable, grounded electrical outlet. Many BioCube lights come with built-in timers or adjustable intensity settings. Now is the time to configure these according to your aquarium's needs. For example, you might set a 12-hour on, 12-hour off cycle. Finally, observe the light for a few moments to ensure it's functioning correctly and illuminating your tank as expected. To keep your BioCube light performing its best, regular maintenance is key. Gently wipe the light's lens or cover with a soft cloth to remove salt creep or dust, ensuring maximum light penetration. Also, be sure to replace any consumable bulbs or LED modules according to the manufacturer's guidelines to maintain proper spectrum and intensity. And hey, while you're optimizing your setup, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.